Welcome back to How to Mastery. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a clickable link in your TikTok bio, step by step. First, open your TikTok app and log
हम
in.
सियासत करते हैं वो हम सियासत ना करें ये चीज़
Bottom right corner of the screen. If you don't see the option to add a link, it means you need to switch to a business account. Here's how to do that. Tap the three lines at the top right, go to Settings and Privacy, then tap Manage Account. Now tap Switch to Business Account. Choose a category that fits your content, like education, services, or personal blog. Then tap Next to complete the switch. Once your account is set to business, go back to your profile and tap Edit Profile. Now you'll see a new option called Website. Tap on it and paste the link you want to share. It could be your YouTube channel, Instagram page, online store, or anything else. Tap Save, and just like that, your link will appear in your TikTok bio. Quick tip, make sure your link starts with https/ so it works properly. And if you want to share multiple links, use a service like Linktree or Beacons. That's it. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe to How to Mastery for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next one.